Hello everyone! So, ang topic po natin is about solving problems involving parallelograms, trapezoids, and kites. So, unahin po muna natin ang solving problems involving a trapezoid. So, example number 1, a cookery department of General Vito Bellarmino Integrated National High School is making a cake like the one in the given on the illustrations. So, the top layer of the cake has a diameter of 9 inches. And the bottom layer has a diameter of 21 inches. How big should the middle layer of the cake be? So, kailangan illustrate muna natin. Supposed to be, this is our cake and named as Trapezoid EFCH. And the middle layer of our cake, so, ang middle layer po natin is ito. Yung gitna niya, no? Is named as DG. So, ayan. So, ang gagawin po natin, label muna natin yung lower layer natin, which is 21 inches, and then ang upper layer is 21 inches. By applying the midline theorem of a trapezoid, so ang gagawin po natin is get the sum of our bases. So, si 9 and 21, divide it by 2. So, EF plus CH, so that is 9 plus 21. So, 30 divided by 2, kaya ang middle layer ng ating cake is 15 inches. Yan. Next, example number 2. A trapezoid is 75 feet on top and 85 feet wide on bottom with a height of 120 feet. So, what is the area in square yards? So, ang trapezoid naman po natin dito ay merong height or the altitude. Yun nga lang, meron din po tayong gagawing conversion from feet to square yards. So, illustrate muna natin ang trapezoid. So, yan po yun, tinatawag na height niya or the altitude. So, ito po yung altitude niya, yan, yung height. And then, so, since parallel po ang base and the height or altitude, so therefore, it will form a right angle which measures 90 degrees. So, name natin ang trapezoid as WIDE or wide. Yan. And then, ang upper wide is 75 feet. And the lower wide is 85 feet. At ang height po is 120 feet. Now, apply lang din natin yung area ng trapezoid. So, which is, para lang tayong kumukuha ng midline ng trapezoid. So, add lang po natin yung base. Pero, since meron siyang altitude or height, i-multiply po natin siya. Ayan. So, WI plus ED times its height, which is 120 feet. So, 75 plus 85 times 120. So, pinakahuli po natin gagawin ang pag-divide. So, 75 plus 85 times 120, that will be 19,200 divided by 2. Kaya ang area po ng ating trapezoid is 9,600 square feet. Bakit square feet? Kasi feet times feet is square feet. Now, proceed tayo sa conversion portion. Since ang 1 yard po ay equivalent of 3 yards, so ngayon, i-square na natin. So, ibig sabihin, kung 3 yards ang isang feet, dodoblihin natin yung 3 yards. So, 3 square or 3 times 3, that will be 9. Kaya, yung 9,600 square feet ay i-divide natin kay 9. So, it will be 1,066.667 square yard. Ayan. So, yun po yung conversion ng yards in feet. So, in 1 yard, there is 3 feet or 36 inches. Since square, didodoblehin lang natin yung 3 feet. Kaya naging 9. 3 times 3 is 9. Next, third example. A trapezoid has an area of 24 square centimeter and a height of 3 centimeter. If one base is 3 times longer than the other, how long are its bases? So, kapag ganito naman po, may missing. So, let us always represent the missing side as X. Or pwede rin naman tayong gumamit ng any letter from the alphabet, from A to Z. So, sa case na to, ang mga sides po ng ating trapezoid ay in-name ko as side A, side B, and C. So, ito kunwari yung trapezoid, yun yung height. So, it will be trapezoid WIDE. And then, solution natin. So, ganun pa rin po in getting the area. So, multiply lang natin yung height with to the sum of your bases na divided by 2. So, ang base daw natin ay 3. Ngayon, yung isang base daw ay missing or nawawala. So, let us represent it as A. No, yung mga sides A and C. So, since longer yung isang base, edi yun yung A natin. So, kaya 3C kasi mas mahaba siya doon sa nawawala, which is C. Yan. So, ang mga given natin, area, which is 24 square centimeter. Yung side A natin, o yung base sa ilalim, is 3C. Kasi sabi, 3 times longer siya doon. So, di ba ang nawawala natin ay ito. Kaya naging 3C kasi sabi, 3 times longer the missing side. Kaya 3C. Next is the altitude, which is 3. And the missing side, which is named as C. So, pwede nyo naman pong gamitin na ibang letter. Now, substitute natin. So, ED is 3C. And then, WI is C times the altitude. So, ngayon, gagawin natin, itong 2, multiply natin both sides, no? Yan. 2. So, 24 times 2 and then 2 divided by 2. So, 2 divided by 2. So, mawawala ito. Kaya, ang matitira na lang ayan. And then, 24 times 2. So, naging 48. Now, 2 times 24 is 48. So, ito yon 2 times 2. So, 2 times 24. Kaya siya naging 20. Yan. 2 times 24, kaya po naging 48. So, eliminate na natin yung 2, kaya natira na lang is 3C plus C. Yan. So, 3C times C, ang gagawin po natin is distribute. So, magdi-distribute tayo ngayon. So, 3C times 3 and then C times 3. Kaya siya naging 9C. 3C times 3 is 9C. C times 3 is 3C. Okay? And then, combine like terms. So, 3C plus 9C is equal to 12C. Divide natin both sides by 12. So, 12 divided by 12. So, that will be 1. 48 divided by 12. So, that is 4. Kaya po, yung shorter side natin is 12. Yan ha. So, 12 siya. So, ito ay 12. And then, since tatlong beses na mas mahaba daw doon sa shorter side ang ating side A, so, substitute. So, 3 times C, or the missing side, so that is 4. Kaya 3 times 4 is 12. So, therefore, ang side A natin, ang measurement po niya, ito is 12. Okay? So, the measurement of the bases of our trapezoids are 4 centimeters. Ito pala. Mali. So, dapat yun ay 4. Typo error lang po. Ito yung 4. Yan. 4. Kasi yan yung missing. So, 4, 4, and 12. Okay? So, yan po yung base natin. Next, solving problems involving a kite. So, example number 1. So, ito yung illustration na ng kite natin. Supposed to be, ang perimeter daw ng kite is 64 centimeters. Ang length daw ng isang side is 14 centimeter more than half of the length of the other. So, find the length. So, ibig sabihin, meron ditong nawawala. So, lilinawin ko lang, kapag po more than, ang pagsusulat natin is pabalik. No? Kapag more naman, papunta dito. So, ayan. So, nawawala yung isang side ng ating kite. So, let us represent it as X, as usual. And since 14 more than, no, half of nung nawawala, so, ang translation po natin is 14, yun yung sinasabi ko, more than, dahil sa more than siya, kaya 14, pabalik yung plus. Ito, yung plus natin. Kapag more naman, di papunta naman dito sa kabilaang sulat. And then, so ito yung side na 14 more than 1/2 of the missing side. And since consecutive sides of kites are congruent, kaya po ang perimeter is equal to twice the missing side or the consecutive side plus 2 times 1/2 x plus 14. Now, substitute natin. So, kaya po naging x na lang ito kasi 2 times 1 is 2 divided by 2. So, 1. Kaya ito ay x na lang. 2 times 14. Kaya ito naman ay 28. Okay? So, now, combine like terms na tayo. Since si 2x and x are common terms, so 28 and 64 na lang. So, apply po natin ang subtraction property. So, dito tayo kay positive 28. Ang opposite po ni positive 20 is negative 28. So, both sides po. Minus natin by negative 28. So, cancel. So, 64 minus 28 is 36. Divide natin both sides by 3. So, 36 divided by 3. Kaya yung shorter side po ng kite natin is equal to 12. And since 14 more than 1/2 daw ng shorter side, so substitute natin. So, 1/2 times 12. So, yung 12 po na yan, so, itong 12 na to ay ito yan. The shorter side. Okay. So, 12 divided by 2 is 6 plus 14. So, therefore, yung mas mahabang side is 20. Kaya, yung x natin is 12. The shorter side is 20. Okay. Next, last example. If the area of a kite is 32 centimeters, how long is the diagonal of a kite, which is 4 times longer than the shorter one? O, ayan. So, nawawala ulit yung isa. Diameter naman, ngayon ang missing. So, alam naman natin ang diameter ng kite ay isang mahaba at isang maikli. So, let x be the diameter 1 and 2, yung 4 times longer doon sa mas maikli. So, let us represent our area of a kite by 1/2 times the product, 1/2 multiplied to the product of your diameter 1 and 2. Ayan, substitute lang natin. So, diameter 1 is 4 times the missing. So, ito po yung mas mahaba. And then, diameter 2, let it be the x or yung maikli. Substitute natin. So, ang area daw ng kite natin is 32 square centimeter. So, ngayon, ang diameter 1 is x. So, ito yon. And then, nagkabaliktad lang siya. And then, ayun, diameter 1 and diameter 2. So, diameter 1, ayun, diameter 2, ayun, nagkabaliktad sila sa 4x centimeters. And then, so, 4x times x, ayan, 4x times x, tsaka centimeters to centimeters. So, that will be 4x square and square centimeter. Diba? And then, 4 times 1 is 4. So, ito yan. 4 times 1 is 4 divided by 2. Kaya po naging 2x square na lang siya. So, ang gagawin naman natin ngayon is divide both sides na tayo. Na para makuha natin ang value ng x. Ayan. By x. 2 and square centimeters. So, cancel or eliminate. So, matitira po is x square is equal to 16. So, the square root of 16 po is 4. So, therefore, ang isang diameter is 4. Since 4 na beses daw siyang mas mahaba, substitute natin 4 times 4. Kaya ang diameter number 1 is 16 centimeters. Okay? Thank you so much and God bless.